Alright, this is a quick episode, but I wanted to talk about one of the things about boat ownership for the Ranger 21. It's a phenomenal boat. It's so well designed, it is so much fun, and it has lots of opportunity to go some places where we've already been and do lots of stuff. But with every boat there comes some boat maintenance. Today I'm going to show you one of the flaws that I found with the Ranger 21, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to try and fix it. So let's go and see and try and do a little maintenance before we head back out onto the water. So here's the problem. On the Ranger 21, the mast folds forward for storage and trailering. However, when you're driving down the road, there's a lot of forward pressure on the mast and there's a lot of rattling. And that causes this piece that's across the top, which holds down the horn and the entire top, to rattle back and forth. And eventually, this is what's happened, is it's fractured and the fiberglass has failed. And so you can see it's come out of these screws here on these holes. So what I'm going to try and do is remove all of the screws and see what's underneath this so that I can reinforce this and hopefully solve the problem. So after getting all the screws off, you can see this is what the factory install is like. There are wires and cables that run to the lights and also to the horn on the top of this, and you can see some of the break and fracture along the side here where the flexing from the mast has been broken. Here's the product that I chose to use, some fiberglass repair. I actually just got this at a local marine shop. Alright, so here's where we are halfway through the project. What I've done is I've fiberglassed this with fiberglass matting, and I covered this all with a couple layers of fiberglass here. I'm just waiting for this to harden. I used a Dremel tool because I had some excess fiberglass that's around the edges here, so I'm going to cut that off. I cut that off mostly, and then the last thing I'm going to do is use this JB Weld here, and what I want to do is put a piece of metal here, and you can see I'm going to put this metal here, and then the goal of this is to prevent the whole top of this part from flexing so much. That was what was causing the problem. A lot of it was just that bending back and forth. So this is just an extra piece here that I'm going to put in, and then hopefully that will solve all the flexing problems, and then we're ready to do a little cleaning. I'm going to clean up the top here. You can see over here it's a little dirty, so I'm going to do a little compounding while I'm waiting, and then put this piece on, and then hopefully everything goes back together. So here is my, so this is my final job, like after it's all done. First of all, I'm going to tell you is that you can see like this is much more secure here. So this has been fiberglassed here, and then there's a rod in here. And then the one thing I will say is that you're going to see a gap here. This is the old screw holes here. I'm going to sand those up a little bit and recoat this. But there is a gap because there's more fiberglass on top here. So since these screws already came out and were busted, what I did is I put some longer screws right in here, two here, and I knew I'm avoiding the metal strapping, and the strapping goes across here, and then two more here, and the electrical cables for the horn and the lights run along here, so I knew I wasn't going to screw in there. And these were 2.5-inch screws, so they go into the bottom of this. So that's it. It looks better. The whole front is going to last longer. I think it's going to rattle less, and just some cosmetic issues just to sand along here when we get back from the tugboat roundup. So for 99% of the people this was useless, but if you own a Ranger 21 and you're encompassing this same issue, reach out to me, and I'll see if I can help you. Thanks a lot.